Alright, today I finished up this patch in the back here. I'm happy with that. I've also got a brace in back here where it was kind of getting a little bit weak. I am going to replace this mount, but not right now. Got to order that and have that come in. Right now my project's been pulling out the braze that's holding on the fuel tank out. Well, this is one of the body mount outriggers, but also for the fuel tank. Trouble is, I ground out the braze and I was chiseling out the last bit. I was getting in there with the screwdriver trying to, here, you're getting blinded, there you go. I was trying to weed out the pieces of braze, and I noticed that, well, let's see, can you see what, the side of the frame is actually flexing, which it really shouldn't do. So I'm going to cut out a piece and weld it in, at least probably to back here. Up to, that sounds solid. That doesn't sound, well, we'll see after I rip this whole outrigger off. So going to mark it with a chisel where these two, that's where these 2 points are. But I will say, the brass shavings sitting all around make it quite sparkly and pretty. That's kind of nice. But more work to do. I'll keep working on that. Well, breaking this off. Oh yeah, you can see that. Oh, that's joy of joys. Yeah, that was holding my fuel tank on. Well, that's just a piece of plate that's just covering up that hole. Now I lost my bolts too. 2 of them in there. 1 on the ground. I'll have to find that one. More work. Well, I was working on my car and it started getting exciting. I don't know if you can see the white stuff. But yeah, it just started hailing all of a sudden. Luckily, not too big. But yeah, a little bit of hail came down. So that's fun. I'm calling it a day. It's grumbling out here and it's already... it's grumbling. Yeah, it's already like 5 o'clock, so that'll be all for today's work. I had hoped to get this hole patched up, but that's all for now, folks. I'm not sticking out here with hail and thunderstorms rolling in.